In a place where the cold usually kills, something was trying to live. I wasn't looking for company. In this forest, you're better off alone. But then I saw it. A bag that didn't belong. A sound that didn't fit. I expected gear, maybe a hunter's stash. I didn't expect a pair of eyes, staring back from the edge of the world.
It's okay. I've got
He
you.
was 1,000 miles from home, left to be claimed by the ice. I couldn't let the forest win today. The storm was rising. My blood was turning to slush, but he was warm, and that was enough. I don't know who left him there, but I know who's keeping him. Out here, we're all we've got. The cave wasn't luxurious, but it was the difference between a grave and a home. This is just the beginning. If you want to see how this cub survives, you need to be here for part 2. Follow for more stories. Subscribe to Shadow Script. Don't miss what's coming.